Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file. They have an epilogue. I don't know what it is, but it's got an 18 by 12 bed, and it will not print. Well, if you look right here, the print icon is grayed out. And even if you go to File and Print, that print icon is. So the telltale sign is that there's something in the file that's got it turned off. So if you'll go to Windows Dockers and objects, and yours might say Object Manager in older versions, it is really hard to see, but if we've got the printer enabled, there's a line through it. So I would go through here and do them all. And then if we look, now the printing icon is printable. And I just turned this into a 8.5 by 11 and printed out on paper, and it worked. Now there might be some other, because there's some other drawings on here, and they might be the same. Of course, that's the rectangle, but we can go and it should be, like right here, components. There's a line through there. You can barely see it. But when you turn it, you can see the line. The line is gone. So I would somehow, he inadvertently turn that on. And now if you look, our printer is still enabled. We can grab that part, it's still enabled. So I could have printed out this page at 8.5 and 11. So first thing to check always when you don't have first I was thinking when he said it wouldn't print, I was driving home and reading it on my phone. Well, I was at a stoplight. And, a lot of times on a laser engraver, if like this is a hairline, and if everything was a hairline, it's not going to print, or it's not going to raster, it's only going to vector. So that's something you got to think about for the one you're doing it for. These lines are hairlines, and they might not print. It just did on my copy paper, so maybe that'll work. But you might want to consider taking that and making it a little bit larger than a hairline, and that wouldn't be too much work to do all that. Just turn, if you grab it all, and it says, right here under your pen tool, it has nothing written. You could make it at least 0.07 and look to make sure you didn't change anything terribly in your drawing. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.